Hey guys, this is Ben, and I want to share a quick story with you. And it's something that's very important to me and near and dear to my heart because it saved me thousands of dollars and many sleepless nights. And it starts with a piece of mail I got a couple months ago, and I opened it up and I noticed that it's from my mortgage company. And you know how you get when you get a piece of mail from your mortgage company outside of your regular bill, you kind of freak out inside, right? So you never know what's, I don't trust these mortgage companies as far as I can throw them. So I was, obviously a little nervous, right? So I opened it up, and sure enough, my fears were validated because they were informing me that my monthly payment was going to go up $274 a month because my escrow account was deficient almost $6,000. And so I called them, and they said that I had an overlapping homeowner's insurance policy and that I was refunded. But the problem is the policy was only like $1,100, and they had a number of $6,000 that my escrow was deficient, they claim. So what do you do? Okay, what do? You're about to pay an extra $250 a month on the mortgage. Okay, what do? Do you call a lawyer? Well, a lawyer is going to cost me a lot of money. I don't stand to win anything other than the money, not having to pay that extra $250 a month. So I was going to have to come out of my pocket, God knows how many hours and phone calls and follow-ups and everything like that, and a large lawyer bill, and just to get this fixed. So I'm freaking out at this point, right? And I'm stressed out. I can't sleep. And I suddenly realized that I had signed up for a prepaid legal services company. And so I go ahead and call the company. I send them the information. And mind you, I pay $19.95 a month. Okay, for their services. Unlimited services. I can call them 20 times a day if I want to. Okay, I can get anything reviewed, documents reviewed. And to be honest with you, I completely forgot I even had this. Okay, so long story short, I called them through a couple of calls. They directed me to the right person or right area of law to handle the case for me. Now remember, $19.95 a month. They sent all the letters. And mind you, before I even called them, I had requested documentation so that they had to prove how I owed $6,000. They never did. They refused to. All they could tell me was I had an overlapping insurance policy, which did not come close to $6,000. Okay, so here I am. I'm just an average number to them. They won't provide me anything. How do I fight it? I really can't, right? So they go ahead. They write all the proper letters, make the contacts, make the connections. Next thing you know, my payment is back to where it should be because they had miscalculations. So for my $19.95 a month, my legal team, for $20 a month, saved me many nights of not sleeping, stress, anxiety, not to mention $250 a month extra on my mortgage, right? So consider this. And then it finally hit me when I went through this. And I'm literally paying $19.95 a month for insurance for stupid crap like this. When a mortgage company decides to be stupid, or when I get a speeding ticket, or when, you're leasing a car and they do some kind of crazy thing and add extra fees, or your cell phone bill, they add extra fees, hidden fees. You could literally fax them your phone bill, have them review the phone bill. It's all part of your $19.95 a month. You have insurance against legal issues, okay? You pay probably, I can tell you from my case, for 2 cars, I pay about $180 a month for car insurance. For health insurance, I pay, for the family, I think we pay like $600 a month, right? What else? Life insurance. I think we pay $85 a month. You name it. You're paying high premiums, monthly premiums for insurance, but you don't have legal coverage. So literally, this event that happened to me made me realize that there is so much that you can use on this every day. There's so many things that you would love to use legal advice on, but just don't have the money to pay $100 an hour for a lawyer's advice. Reviewing documents, if you're leasing something, if you're buying a house, if you're whatever you're doing that requires a contract, for $19.95 a month, you can send it to them and they can review it. And you have, I mean, something you would never think of doing before, right? And you have the protection if something stupid happens to you, like a mortgage company telling you that you're $6,000 deficient in your escrow account, right? Please, this isn't a sales pitch. This isn't anything more than honest to God. Check it out. If you've got $20 a month and you've ever had a speeding ticket, or if you've ever been contacted and threatened by a collection agency or anything like that, I promise you, $20 a month is pittance compared to what it's going to save you in anxiety, money, and stress because you didn't have that protection before, okay? Check out the link below. I promise you this is something that everyone needs. I promise you. You need car insurance, right? It's mandated. You can't drive without it. You need car insurance. You pay for car insurance. You need legal insurance, okay? $19 a month. I mean, come on. Honest to God. Check it out. And I hope my testimonial will help you make a decision. And if that's okay, if it's not for you, if you don't have $20 a month, but I promise you, at some point down the road, you're going to hit it. You're going to hit a legal issue that you're going to wish you had this protection for less than $20 a month. So this has been. I hope this helps. I hope you check it out, and I hope you benefit from it. And we'll talk to you next time.